Hey guys, it's your girl T back at it again with another video, and today I'm reviewing the entire Kinky Tresses Wash Day bundle that was sent to me via Kinky Tresses. I want to thank them so much, as well as the Kinky Tresses Ambassador Family. They are such a wonderful group of ladies, and I am so excited to share this and to also show you my style and technique for how I use Kinky Tresses. And I just want you guys to sit back and enjoy the video, okay? So let's get to it. Alright, so we are kicking things off with the Avocado Infusion Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. And guys, I gotta say that I actually really enjoyed this shampoo. Now, you may see me kind of using it without the press-on pump there. I had a little trouble with it, but other than that, I apply the shampoo like so, and I gotta say, it really suds up easily. I actually felt really clean and invigorated in my scalp without feeling dry. I don't really get that with a lot of shampoos. Very cleansing, very gentle, and it left my hair very soft without stripping my hair of its natural oils. It just left everything totally clean. And I love the array of ingredients such as avocado oil, coconut oil, rosemary, lavender, rose flower extract, and just a wonderful array of different ingredients too, as well as vitamin B, shea butter, and other things. But yes, this is a really great product if you want something that is gentle, yet has like a moisturizing feel, but yet it's also very cleansing. It just felt so good. I had hardly no flaking or itching after I washed this out. In fact, my scalp felt really renewed and restored. Check out the curl definition. Check out the high def, the action, yes. Alright guys, and next up to back is the Avocado Infusion Restorative Conditioner that claims to moisturize, strengthen, and nourish. And you guys, this is great if you are somebody who has high porosity hair, dry, brittle hair, or you're actually looking to just put some moisture back in. This is great for also thick and very dense girls like myself. The slip is incredible, and it smells just like the shampoo, which I also found this scent to be very good. But you guys, I just can't get over this slip. I think this is one of the best conditioners I have ever tried, or deep conditioners rather. Just the definition is insane already, and it's not even out yet. Just upon contact, you guys. And it also has another set of wonderful ingredients as well as mango seed butter, silk amino acids, wheat protein, castor seed oil, and many other things. Just a really awesome conditioner here. Nothing but 2 thumbs up. And next I am going in with the hair milk. And this hair milk is just so thick and rich. And I have to say, it really cut down my detangling time in half and my moisturizing time in half following the deep conditioner. And while I speed this up for you, my comb just simply glided through it. And it also smelled really calm and really nice. I really enjoyed using this during the leave-in process. Also, it really fortified that definition again, and the hair just felt soft and supple to the touch, and I could not have asked for a better hair milk. I think I have it right up there with some of my favorite ones. And I'm just doing my temp twists or my TTs to get my hair section and moisturizing out of the way, especially when I go to prepare for the twist out in the next coming hour. Alright, so now I am going in with the coconut mango hair butter. This has to be my most favorite part of the entire line. Y'all, this line had me smelling like cookies and stuff, like sugar cookies, gingerbread cookies. And it's so dense and creamy. And you guys, this coconut mango butter, I see why people rave about it. It is so good, you guys. Like, just the moisture and the definition is insane. Amazing. Coconut and mango, you can really not go wrong with it. Yes, they are two very powerful and sweet fruits. However, it's just the blend is totally beautiful and works really well together. They just work in sync. The detangling is out of this world. Oh, look at the snapback. You guys, like, come on. But yeah, I couldn't stop smelling that stuff. Yo. Had me just smell it all good. I just wanted to eat myself. Yes. So if you want to smell like cookies, here you go. And I'm just twisting like so, a standard 2-strand twist. I'm just going down neatly and gently, applying a little more product to the end, and then finger coiling it for extra security. All right, let's speed that up for y'all right quick. Alright, so I stopped halfway because we are going to start our Bantu knots in the front. Alright, so you see all that leftover hair? What are we going to do? Alright, well, we're actually going to start by parting it away. I was kind of going for triangular parts here, but for some reason that did not really go to plan. So I just call it my unique little triangular thingies. And I'm just going to use a little gel that I had from another product stash or something that I had. And I'm just going in and just smoothing that in along with the hair butter. And I'm actually using a rubber band. I'm really just using it just to separate the parts. I'm not using it for the Bantu knots at all. So hey, you're probably thinking, T, you know, what if it causes breakage and stuff like that? I'm only using this for temporary, okay? Only for temporary. I will take them out soon. This will just keep the hair nice and neat. And I will share with you, I'm not the best parter in the world. So forgive me for my struggle parts. And I'm just going to go in and just do that. Get the hair nice and sectioned out of the way to make way for the Bantu knots. Alright, and I'm just finishing up the very last one. Going in with my lovely hair butter again and then just rolling. And hey, comment down below if you would love to see me do a full Bantu knot out. Alright? Let me know below. Alright, so now I took the rest of my twist out, going in with a pick to create more volume at the root. And guys, the twist out came out so beautiful. Yay! I'm really loving how this looks. And I'm just finishing things off with the hair oil. Okay, so just gonna take a little bit, not too much, but just really going in with the hair oil, very lightweight. It smelled a lot like caramel popcorn to me, which I really thought was sweet and nice. I really enjoyed using the oil. And then I just added my little cuffs or whatever they call those things. And just add a little more style and a little more funk to it. But guys, look at the whip action. Oh, yes. Wait. Oh, wait. Woo. Yes, honey. Yes. I love it. I love the bounce. I love the style, the shine, everything. You guys, this is amazing. Nothing but 5 stars. I see why this line has so many great reviews. But guys, that is it. I'm going to stop it right here. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Kinky Tresses. Thank you, Shawna Moses. Thank you, Kinkies. I love you guys and take care. Subscribe to join the tribe and ring a ding ding so you don't miss a thing. This is T's World signing off, y'all. Bye.